So I'm asking you to. So I'm asking you to. Can you step out of the vehicle for me,
What I'm
please?
stepping out for?
Just real quick, man.
For what, though?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Well, why is what I'm saying?
Because there's case law that allows me to pull you out of the car for any reason. Okay?
Like what?
There's case law that says I can pull you out of the car for any reason. So
Why?
I'm asking you nicely again to step out of the car.
I'm asking you why.
Because I want to pull you out of the car. I want to separate you from the vehicle.
I don't understand why.
There's legal grounds for me to do that. I'm asking you, and you can be cool about it, and you can stand outside the car. I can pull you out, and I can put you in the back seat of the car. So
I'm asking you why, though.
Because I'm asking you to. Okay. So let's just speed this up so I can get out here and you can go on about your day.
All right, man. Why you driving the car?
Step out of the car, man.
I am.
Put your phone so you don't break your phone anymore.
Can I get out?
Yeah,
why
step out. Step out, please. You use your feet to step out of the car.
Yeah. What I'm saying, you trying to pull me out the damn.
See? You doing all that.
I'm trying to get the car, man. You
Okay,
keep pulling me out the car, man. All right, man. Can I pick up my stuff, please?
Sorry, we'll get it here for you in a second. Come over here for me, man. No, nope. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. I'm saying that you.
Yeah, you got the gloves. I'm gonna take a photo of it real quick. That is.
No.
I missed it because like.
I'll call and get you.
All right. Once you pull out, let me take another photo of it real quick. I have to use my other hand. All right.